Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about display marketing. So in digital marketing, display marketing is a form of advertising that conveys a commercial message visually using text, logos, animation, videos, photography or other graphical representations. Generally we have a button to interact with the campaign and it can go to the website or any other places where you want to redirect your customer. Right? So display advertising frequently target users with particular traits to increase the ad effective. As we know, in digital marketing, targeting plays a very important factor. Whom the ad should be visible or who can see the ads. So in digital marketing, generally the people with similar interest or the topic in which we are running the ad have the similar interest, those kind of people are able to see the ads. So display and marketing or display advertising makes it more appealing, makes it more visually attractive for the users. So when someone talks about a display ad, they generally mean an ad that has the following attributes. So as you can see, what are the following attributes we mean? It can be an image or an image based, or animation can be also there. Right? So it can be an image which has the information about the campaign that is being run or about the topic that you are searching for. Ad placement is brokered directly or through a display network such as Google Display Network. So if you want to run a display advertisement, we need a platform. So it can be Google. The thing that we can see here is a campaign. This is a Google Ads dashboard that you can see, and from here we can run a display ad. So we can go to new campaign. Then we will be selecting the display ad campaign from here. So see, we can have lot of objectives here. It can be for sales, it can be for leads, it can be for website traffic. For every type of objectives, we have different types of campaigns available. One of them is display campaign. So we can choose anything without a goal guidance, and from here we have the display campaign. So in Google itself, see what it means: creating visually appealing ads that serves across the Google Display Network. So Google Display Network can be your Gmail, Google Display Network can be your YouTube, can be your mobile feed, that what we called as Discover, and obviously the search engines from where we can see the display ads. Right? So display ad we can run from Google as well. We can also run from Facebook or other social media campaigns as well. Right? So then the advertising can be used to promote a brand, service, product or offering. Basically, when we mean display advertisement or display marketing, we generally want to do the brand awareness of the company or the brand that is there. If a new brand is launching in the market, we generally use it to make people aware of the brand or make the presence of the brand in the digital world. So for that we use display marketing. Okay, it is not a search ad. Keep reading and learn more about it. So because it is not a search ad, see what is basically a search ad is, if I search something like here, suppose if I search for a digital marketing course. So if I type your digital marketing course, these are the ads which are being shown in the page. This page is called a search engine result page. So whenever some ads are showing, when we are giving some keywords in the search results, and this is what they are showing. So you can see a AD written on top of each ad. So these are basically search ads. But what are display ads? Display ads are generally visible in the website. This kind of websites are called Google partner websites. So I can show you some websites where display ads are visible. So this is one website where we can see display ads. This is another website where we can see display ads. So let me just scroll it down. See here, this is an ad which is showing with a button, so that there is this type of ads are called responsive ads. You can click on the open button and it will take you directly to the website of this, and this ad is given by Google. Right? You can also see ads here. This is an article rewriter website. Here also you'll be able to see some ads. See, these are the ads given by Google. This kind of ads are shown to you according to the interest and behavior of yours in the internet, in the social media or wherever. Whatever you are searching, whatever your behavior is, according to that the ads are being shown to you, so that you show some interest on them and you can click them and view them. Right? Now we will come to the types of display ads. So there are different kinds of display ads, as we can say. The first one that we are going to discuss today is the traditional display ad. So what is a traditional display ad? Which has a particular image and has a button which you can click and go to that respective website. So here is the definition. These are the ads that are most associated with display advertising, consisting of a landscape, square or skyscraper image sizes. So what is a landscape? So see, on the first slide we have seen something like this. This is kind of a horizontal, you can say a skyscraper. This is a vertical, this is a square ad. So these different kinds of ads can be designed to display ads. So when we will be learning about how to design the ads, we will be putting images so that we can get some horizontal images, we can get some square images, and can be displayed anywhere wherever it is required, right? These ads are primarily image based with some text and primarily placed on websites. So most of the time the traditional display ads are placed on the websites where we can actually see the ads the way I have shown it here in the website. See, these are basically display ads which are being shown inside a website, right? Then we can go for responsive display ads. So what are responsive display ads? These are type of display ads that is based on multiple text headlines. Yes, so actually in display ads you can use number of headlines and descriptions. It can have more than one headline, and they will actually give you ideas from your own website when you are running campaigns, and they will tell you how to run or give the headlines. They will give you some ideas to put the text headlines. So multiple descriptions and headlines and images that ad platform algorithm used to place, size and orient an ad in the various combinations. So they will rotate the headlines, they will rotate the images, they will rotate the descriptions as well at different point of time when you will be seeing those ads. See, this is one kind of, this will change again if you open it somewhere. So these kind of ads are generally called responsive ads. When there are multiple headlines, when the headline changes often, then we call it a multiple, or we call it a responsive ad. So you can see in the picture as well how the things are coming. Then we will come to retargeting display ads. So what are retargeting display ads? Retargeting or remarketing is when a display ad is shown to the people who have visited your web property, usually a specific page or a set of pages. That means when the user have already interacted with your website earlier, we are targeting those kind of people in a, and it should be in a specified time frame, and but not in completed the desired action. They have come to your website, they have visited your page, but they have not done any activity on your website. So this kind of, for this kind of ads we do retargeting display. So that, see, we can give some button like book now, get the quote. So this kind of buttons can be added so that you get the response from the customers, or we can generate lead out of it. So for remarketing and retargeting, we can use it when we can generate lead from the particular kind of ad. Retargeting display ads are a great vehicle for personalized content. So if I am just looking for some car insurance, I want to have a car insurance for my two-wheeler. So I will search for car insurance for two-wheeler, and they will show me a display ads where you can get it, and when I click, and I can register there, or I can opt for the insurance, right? So this is called a retargeting display ad, where we have a button to interact or to click on it. Then we will be having social, we have done retargeting. We have native ads. Okay, native ads actually shows the way the content are. So you cannot distinguish a native ad from the content. So these are generally found in the media website. So I will show you some native ads here in this website. As you can see, this is a Telegraph online website, and there is some media. This is a media website, so we can have lot of newses here. So if I just scroll down a bit, we can be able to see some kind of native ads. So just see here in the bottom. See, this is our ad from White Hat Junior, I guess, or some coding team. See, this is a sponsored ad. So this kind of ads are called native ads, which actually get merged with the content. You will not be able to distinguish that this is an ad. It will only be written sponsored like this within it. So see, these are all sponsored ad which is there inside a website. This is a specific ad, which is, this is also a sponsored ad. These kind of ads are called basically native ads. So native ads are the ads which have the same style of that of a content. So native ads are the design and placed in the same style as the content of the website, email, etc. So as if you are reading the same content, but it is a sponsored content, as promoted and recommended content at various sites, but they usually don't look like ads at all. So this kind of campaigns are called native ads. Then we have social ads. Obviously, in Instagram, in LinkedIn, in Facebook, we can see different kinds of ads. So these ads are all display ads with pictures, with carousel images, when the images go one after another in different cards. So these are called display ads. So these are ads you see in the social networks such as Facebook, LinkedIn. Like responsive display ads, they are a combination of text and images with a CTA. CTA means call to action. That is a button which we get in a responsive ad, where you can click and it will take you to the landing page of the website. By landing page, we mean the page where the ad is taking us, or the page which is showing when you are clicking on that particular button. So that what we called as a landing page. And always remember, the home page and the landing page are two different set of things. We have to design landing page for the particular type of ads we are running. So we have learned what is display ad is, and we also learned what are the different types of display ads we can have, right? Another one we have is discovery ads. So what are discovery ads? The ads which we see in our phone feeds, in the mobile feeds. We have an icon with G which is called discovery. The discovery is the meaning of the feeds given by Google. There also we see different kinds of ads, as you can see in the PPT. Discovery ads are a form of native ads that uses machine learning to show image assets in the most appropriate format for the users. So that basically happens in your phone. Discovery ads appear on YouTube search results, Watch Next, Gmail socials and promotion tabs, and the Google discovery ads. Google discovery ads are found in phone, and in YouTube also you will be able to find this particular discovery ads. In discovery ads in YouTube, there are ads which run solely, which does not run in front of any other ads, so this other videos. So those kind of ads are called discovery ads. So even in the Google ad dashboard, we have this discovery ads here. So you can run discovery for anything you want, right? So we have learned about the different types of ads. Next we are going to learn about the effectiveness of display ads. So there are a lot of positive points that we can have for the effectiveness of why should we run display ads, why should we not go for search ads. So basically the most important part for running display ads is for your brand awareness, brand promotion, and making it aware to the people, to increase the visibility of your brand in the internet. So for that we go for display ads. Display ads are visually appealing. So obviously if we see pictures, if we see videos, that are more attractive than only general search ads. One, the first benefit of display advertising is that display ads can and should be designed and styled. So you should have proper graphical representation of display ads. The images that you should be using should have been very appropriate to the topic that you are running on, and it should be very apt for the campaign. Regular PPC ads, PPC stands for pay per click. Ads are text only and have to adhere to character counts, limiting how effective and quickly you can capture attention and convey your messages. So in case of search ads, you are limited with words, but in case of display ads, you can add multiple headlines, you can add multiple images, you can add multiple logos for different sizes, and you can have multiple descriptions. So display ads help you in displaying your brand effectively to the users. Point number 2 is display ads support brand awareness and visibility. That's what was just saying. In order to get a new customer, the customer needs to be aware of your business exists. So you have to be transparent with the customer. You have to show what kind of product you sell or you promote, so that they get a detailed idea about the product. There should be a transparency about the product with the users. Display advertising allows you to go on the offensive and get in front of the consumers before they need a specific goods or service before you. So you should be clear enough about the service you are providing or the product you are selling. So you should be transparent enough to your consumers so that they can have a clear conception or clear idea what they are going to purchase. By the time they need what your business offers, you have to better chance of being who they consider, since you have encountered your name time again online. So you should be available to them, you should be visible to them whenever you need them to. Right? Okay, then we have display ads are targeted. Yes, so as I said, in digital marketing, ads are basically target oriented. It has a great difference between the traditional marketing and the digital marketing. In traditional marketing, we are not able to understand how many people are actually interacting with my ads, how many people are coming from that particular kind of ads. But in case of digital marketing and also with the display ads, we will able to find out whom to target and how to target. So when running a digital marketing campaign, it is important to target the people most relevant to your business. That means if I am interested to buy a car or a particular brand of car and I am searching for it, this particular brand will be available to me whenever I'll be searching some other things as well. Whenever I'm browsing in the internet, that kind of ads will be shown to me, maybe through the internet or through the app, right? So the ad will be shown to me because I have shown some interest on them, right? So relevant to your business. Just as with PPC and Facebook advertising targeting, you can create specific parameters for your digital display advertising, which sites your display ads appear on geographical area that appear on, and which demographics and niche market they appear to. So basically we can select the location, we can select the type of people who wants to interact with the ad, we can select the demographics, we can select the genders, we can select the age group, we can select their interest and the behavior, what are their behavior in the internet, what are their interests, what are their hobbies. According to that, we can do the targeting very effectively for display campaign, and we can get an optimized result out of it. For example, see, we have given an example also here. A car dealership can target people of driving age who live in the zip code and are visiting auto related websites, right? So we can select the people who have who are in a particular location, who have auto related websites, who visit auto related websites, and who has a driving age. So driving age starts from 18, so we can target people of width from 18 and so on. We can select a particular zip code, a particular area, and we can select the people who are interested in auto related websites. The benefit of targeting or display ad is that you can maximize your spend and ensure getting seen by most relevant audience. So when you are targeting a people, that means that you want a reaction from that particular audience. So if your targeting is proper, a proper reaction you will be getting, and your advertisement or your campaign will be optimized. Okay, then we are coming into the next point, that is display ads allow you to retarget interested customers, that we were actually discussing initially also. Display ads retargeting involves showing display ads to consumer based on their past behavior online. That means they must have visited your website, they must have interacted somewhere with you in some platform, and these people can see your campaign if you retarget them. Those who have visited your website but did not convert into a customer, maybe they have just come and they have browsed the website and went away, we can target them, we can convert them if we are giving a proper offer to them. So this has probably happened to you. You are browsing, say, electric drills or an home improvement store sites. You got to search for something else entirely on Google, and when you land on a blog or a website from Google, you see ads from electric drills on those parts. So their AI is so strong, their artificial intelligence is so strong, they can fetch the activity that you are doing on the internet. So that is very important. So what kind of searches we are doing? As I am teaching you digital marketing, so I will be searching different concepts of digital marketing, different modules on digital marketing, and whenever I open any other things in the internet, digital marketing advertisement actually shows to me all the time. right, on those pages, trampling a sale of that same home improvement store. So as I was just showing you, see, when I opened this website, see, it is showing Grammarly, which helps you to improve your grammar. Obviously, why it is showing, because I have searched sometimes back about car insurance. That is the reason they are showing me some bikes. Actually, I saw some videos on bikes in YouTube. That is the reason it is showing me here. This is a tool to increase, or say this is also something related to digital marketing. So this is how they fetch. And see, even in this website, which is related to our travel, they are showing something. They're showing an ad which on booking flight. So obviously it's related to the topic of the website I am showing. So this is related to site blue booking. Okay, this is also a website where you can actually visit different countries. Egypt, if you want to visit Egypt, this is an ad showing for that. So this is how they can understand what is your interest is, and they can show the ads related to your interest. So this is very important. Their AI is strong enough to understand what you want to. You've already expressed interest in a product they sell. Now you're not only seeing their name come up again in your field of vision, but you are also encountering a great deal of content that might be a final push you need to make a purchase decision. So when you see more like this, more this kind of ads, you may change your mind. You may think, yes, I have to opt for this product, and you can click and get into it. Display retargeting is a great way to engage these consumers who already know about your business and go that extra mile to seal the deal. So that is most important. As already I have shown interest on the product, I can actually convince that person with the digital marketing campaign to take the product and optimize it. Right? Then we have display advertising can reach consumers on a go. It can reach any consumer on a go. Geofencing is another effective display advertisement. Geofencing means when you are actually locating a place, when you are targeting a particular location in a geographical area. By pushing advertising through a mobile device based on a consumer's current location, you can direct your advertising at a people who are out shopping now or who purchase intent is high. So basically, when my purchase intent is high, that means I am a very adhere shopper, and I shop very much in an online basis. So we can go for that kind of things. We can actually target the people who are a shopaholic and who are in a particular location right now. So suppose I am in a mall and I am suppose want to purchase something. They have traced my location, and when I am browsing something in the net, they will show some brand or the store which are there in the location, and they will also show it through some e-commerce store in the digital world. So geofencing allows you to set up a virtual perimeter around a geographical area like your business location or a competitor's. From there you can push through geofencing ads in the form of offers and deals to anyone who enters the area that a mobile device through a mobile device. That means if you have gone to a website or a store of, say, Lenskart. Lenskart is a store for spectacles and glasses. So you went to a store and Google Pay has given you a offer. Like when you have used Google Pay, they have given you a coupon to use it in any store possible. So you can go to that store and you can use the coupon and get a discount. So this is very effective for display ads. This kind of ads are called geofencing ads. Okay, then we have display ads can block. So these are some of the effectiveness that we are discussing. Display ads can block the competition. Display advertising is a great way to interrupt consumers who are thinking about doing business with a competitor or get them to the business with you instead. Using search retargeting to go after these who have looked for product on your competitor's website and can offer a great deal for that same product on your own site is one way to win new customers. So let me explain this. Basically, I go and see stuff in Amazon, Myntra, Flipkart. So these kind of websites where we buy products, right? So I have opened a new store, one online store where I am selling these kind of, I am selling gadgets, I am selling garments, all this thing. So when I will do the targeting, I will target the people who are visiting Myntra, Amazon or Flipkart, so that they can also see my ad and come to my store. So we can basically block the competition. So if I am providing the same thing in a cheaper rate and the possibilities are high to convert, so we can drive customer from those store to my store as well. But obviously you need to be that in the industry for a longer period of time, and you have to gain the trust of the consumers. So for that you need testimonials, you need reviews, so that people can read the reviews and can go and get your product. Display ads partner well with other marketing strategies. So what does it mean? Display advertising work great in tandem with other marketing strategies. Let's look at PPC. PPC is pay per click and display advertisement. Studies have shown that 27% of the consumer conduct a search for a business after seeing their display ad. Actually that happens. So when you see a display ad about some product, then you go and search about it, right? Then you come to know about the product in a more vivid way, in a more thorough way. So that is most important key. Once you see the ad, you go and actually research for the ad, and there's a 59% lift in conversion when user conducted search related to a display ad. So basically in search ads, if you show something, there's a 27% of consumers interaction, but if you go for a display ad, there's a 59% of the consumer interactions. Then we are coming into the display ads can easily be tracked to measure effectiveness. How it can be tracked is important to measure your marketing performances, so you know that what's working to grow your business. When display advertising, you can track how many times your ads have been seen, how many users have clicked on your ad, because display is primarily on brand awareness building marketing strategies. So as we are discussing about the effectiveness, it is more for brand awareness. So if you are running a display ad, you will be able to understand how many people are clicking onto it, how many people are seeing it. So if the conversion rate is high, your optimization will be high. So the number of impression your ads are receiving will be on your top metric to consider your success. Clear about all this? So this is what we mean by effectiveness of display ads. Why display advertisement? There's a very simple funda to it, because display advertising is visually appealing and people like to see videos rather than reading it. We are more into YouTube, we are more into blogging, so we can see display ads. We will be able to interact more with the display ads than with the searchers. Display advertising is sometimes referred as a banner advertisement to a visually based form of online advertisement that communicates a commercial message using imaginary image, logos, animation, buttons, rich media, videos or other graphics. Unlike text-based advertisement, display ads are found on website, on apps, social media platforms, and not in ACRP, means not in the search engine result page. This is what we mean as search engine result page. Display ad is not displayed here. Okay, we generally see it in those platforms. Okay, they help promote business or brand whenever people are browsing online, watching YouTube videos, checking their emails, or using mobile devices or apps. So basically it is a visual treat. So when you have a display advertising which is coming on your way, you prefer that more than search ads. So display advertising is more appealing than search ads. Okay, now we can go for the setup of display campaign. So how we can go and set up a display campaign? Obviously you need to create an account in Google Ads. This is an account, or we can say this is a dashboard. You have to have a Google account to create an account in Google. So you can create an account in Google, then you can just go to new campaign from here. You can create search any of the objectives, whatever you need to. Suppose I can go for leads, or I want website traffic. I can select the website traffic and I can click on the display ad. There are two types of campaigns available. One is called standard display campaign, another is called smart display campaigns. What is the difference between a standard display campaign and a smart display campaign? In standard display campaign, you have to create the campaign in a proper way, giving headline, text and images, whereas in smart display they will fetch all the information from your website, right? So click campaigns to form the page, click the plus button to create the new campaign, choose your campaign goal among the option goals that I have already choose from here. These are the goals I have already choose, and I have also selected the display campaign from there. Select the display ad campaign type. Then what you need to name your campaign and specify the location, language, bidding and budget. So basically here I have to go to the next page. Now I can give my website. So this website I can use, for example, I can give the website details here. And we can go to the, you can give any name to it. So I can give it is, this is August, so we can give August 21 and we will continue. So here you have to put the location, then you have to put the language in different languages what you want to. So go for the ad, then you can go to the more settings. Here is what there is some other information which you can add on. Ad rotation means what kind of ad you want to show. There is something called ad groups. You know, in Google Ads there is something called ad groups. You can run more, you can have more than one ad group in an ad campaign. Ad group means, suppose you are doing a business on jewelry, so you can sell bangles, you can sell earrings, you can sell necklaces, so you can have different ad groups for different products. So you can have multiple ad groups which is running on the same campaign. So here is the what it shows that best performing ad. That means suppose somebody is searching for ethnic jewelry, sometimes earrings are coming, sometimes bangles are coming, but if Google is seeing that the earrings are getting more clicks, so whenever somebody is searching for ethnic jewelry, earring campaign will be shown more often than the other types or other ad groups. So this is the best thing to keep for ad rotation. Optimize the prefer best performing ads. Then you can go for other settings as well. You can schedule your ads when you want to run the ad. So this is the timing which you can give. Then you can go for the devices, as because it is display ads where you want to show your ad. So here you can choose it, show it all devices, or you can choose specific devices from here. Then we have campaign URL. You can have dynamic ads as well. These are for the smart campaigns. We do not need them right now. We can have a start date and an end date. Where you want to include the content can be here. See, you have some information related to it. Which one you want to show. Right? So next what you want is, you can have other, see you have digital content labels, you have some sensitive content, you can some content type, so you can opt out showing the ads in these places. Okay, other thing, you can have your start date and end date. That's it. Then you can go to next from here. This is a budget, how much budget you want to set. You can select from here. Suppose I want to set 1,000 rupees budget. This is a daily budget that we mean. You can set 1,000 rupees budget from here. What kind of bidding you want? So there could be a different class for bidding. You know, bidding is, there are different types of bidding available in display campaign. So we can just jump over to the bidding one so that you can understand. Yes, so see, these are the bidding models. We have cost per miles. Miles means per 1,000 impression. Impression means views, when people are seeing your ad. When 1,000 people will see your ad, amount will get deducted from your account. Then there's cost per click, then it's cost per lead, then cost per sale. So you can have any one of these bidding strategies applied in your campaign when you are running it. So we can set my bidding from here. So I will be setting something for, it can be a cost per conversion or a CPA, a cost per acquisition, or we can change my bidding strategies. I can go here and I can select a bidding strategy according. So I want maximize conversion, I can go for that here. Then you can go to next. You can select, that is here where the targeting comes. So here you will have the type of demographics, like the parental status, the marital status, education. These are the demographics. This is affinity audience, that is what is your interest is all about. So in Google it is called affinity. When you are showing some interest about the product, it's called affinity. And when you are the behavior, that is what is your objective, how you actually interact with this thing, what kind of browser you use, whether you do online shopping or not. This kind of people are called in-market audience. So you can set your target from here. You can have a combined audience, you can have a remarketing or retargeting audience who have interacted with your ads before. Then you can go for the demographics. You can select the gender, the age, the parental status, and the household income. Household income is not required for Indian. You can select, you can see the countries where these things are available. Then you can go for content targeting. You can go for keywords. You can search for the keywords. You can use the keywords from here. See, it is fetching some keywords from my website, from the website that I have given here. It is trying to fetch some keywords from there. You can also get some keywords. See, they have got some keywords that has been used in mine, so you can use these keywords. Okay, then you have to select this one, because they will try to go and show excuse me, content only show ads on web pages, apps and videos related to these keywords. So they will try to show this kind of ads to the people who have interest to this kind of keywords as well, right? You can expand your targeting, but if you're doing it for the first time, don't go for that. Then go to next, and your campaign will be ready. You have to give the images and the videos, and here the headlines that you need to give. So this is where the design is coming from. So targeting means, see, we have choose who will see your ad. Here some common types of display targeting, that what I have shown. This is called affinity and in-market audience and the demographics. Then you have contextual targeting, uses behavior based keyword topic and specific URLs to reach the target location, that I have just shown you. I can just go back and show you the thing. See, these are what we mean as contextual targeting. Here you have keywords, topic and placements, from where you want to put your ads can be shown. You can choose the topics. You can choose the topics from here where you want to show your ad, and you can also directly choose some placements. Like, see, it is related to, as because my website is related to travel, I will choose travel from here. You can select any website. You can choose any videos where you want to show your ad, right? Interest targeting. Then you have remarketing and retargeting. Okay, so this we have already discussed the bidding models. Okay, now how to use, what is the best practice of Google Display Network? Use dynamic remarketing, right? So have been served an ad base to prior browsing your search history. So they must have retargeting ads are good for display advertisement. They have come to your website once and they will be able to see your ad with the picture and stuff, and they more likely they are going to interact. That's remarketing. And in the context, it's when display ads are shown to previous websites or the mobile app visitors. Consumers, when researching or buying, visit multiple pages multiple times. Remarketing is a way to bring those audiences back, and dynamic remarketing is a way to leverage Google Display Network for higher campaign ROI. ROI is return on investments. Create responsive ads. That means there should be some button, there should be a call to action button which you will click, and there will be multiple headlines and multiple descriptions. While search ads are mainly text, responsive formats combine both tag text and image ads and are must in a display campaign. In fact, responsive ads are becoming the default for Google Display Network, and you better upgrade sooner or later. There are good number of different ad formats and sizes. By creating content on all permutations can be difficult. Responsive ads solve that challenges. Then you have expand your audience targeting. So you can expand your audience targeting. How? While remarketing is a powerful tool, the sheer reach of Google Display Network across millions of websites and apps. So we can actually run display network in websites and apps and makes it bountiful platform through which you find new and related audience. So it will show to the people who are interested about the product. So you will, and it will be shown to multiple websites. So from there you can actually gain or you can target the right kind of audience you want to. Contextual targeting, ad groups and the similar audience feature gives marketers precise tools which will to discover and convert potential customers. Obviously they will try to show the ad to those people who are more likely to interact with your ad, and that is the reason you will be able to convert them more. right? And expand your targeting. So you can also expand your targeting through emails as well. So you can target Gmail ads. There is affinity audience, users who share interest or who have interested in the topic relevant to your business. So you can show display ads in Gmails as well. In market audience that we have discussed, active users who are actively considering buying a similar product or who have submitted a related search inquiry. And lastly, the customers going through live events like what is your financial status, are you in college, what is your marital status. So these kind of people can also be targeted through display ad. So basically, so this is a session on display ad, and through display ad is the most effective form of targeting the audience, and it helps you to increase the brand awareness of your business. So if you want to increase the brand awareness, if you want to reach to the respective customer or the potential customer, and you need to increase your visibility, you should go for display advertisement. Thank you. I hope you liked the session. Get to see you soon. Bye bye.